This composition is the combination of a duplicator, an oscillator and a stagger. Let's start with the resolution of our composition. Let's change 2160 by 2160. Let's add a line and change the length to 100. Go on the stroke tab and change the width to 8. We can now create a duplicator, change the distribution to linear, the count to 100, the size to 1600, the direction to vertical, and we right click on the shape position and add an oscillator behavior on the y-axis. Let's see the result. Okay. Let's click on the oscillator and change the type to cosine, the wave style to triangle, the values minimum -10, maximum 100. Let's turn the time mode to minutes and increase the frequency to 10. This is the result. Let's create another duplicator. Change the distribution to linear, the count to 13, size to 1600. As you can see, all the columns are the same. In order to create variation, we can go to the oscillator, right click on the stagger, add behavior, and add another stagger. Let's change the minimum value to -5 and the maximum to 0. This is the result. Let's load a palette to change the colors. Let's change the background and let's change the color of the line. See you next time.